Unlock your flexibility. A comprehensive guide to workouts for tight hips. Tight hips are a common issue faced by many individuals due to a sedentary lifestyle, prolonged sitting, or inadequate stretching. Not only can tight hips lead to discomfort and pain, but they can also restrict your range of motion and affect your overall athletic performance. Fortunately, with the right exercises and stretches, you can alleviate tightness and improve hip mobility. In this guide, we'll explore a variety of workouts tailored to target and release tension in the hip area. Understanding tight hips. Before diving into specific exercises, it's essential to understand the anatomy of the hips and why they may become tight. The hips are a complex structure composed of muscles, ligaments, and tendons that support various movements, including walking, running, and bending. When these muscles become tight, it can cause imbalances and affect surrounding areas, such as the lower back and knees. Common causes of tight hips. 1. Prolonged sitting. Sitting for extended periods can lead to tight hip flexors and weaken the gluteal muscles. 2. Lack of mobility work. Neglecting mobility exercises and stretching can contribute to hip tightness. 3. Overuse or imbalance. Certain activities or exercises that overuse specific muscles or neglect others can lead to tightness. 4. Poor posture. Maintaining poor posture can put undue stress on the hip muscles and lead to tightness over time. Workouts to fix tight hips. 1. Dynamic warm-up. Begin your workout with dynamic movements to increase blood flow and prepare the muscles for activity. Examples include leg swings, hip circles, and walking lunges. 2. Hip flexor stretch. Perform a kneeling hip flexor stretch to target the hip flexors and alleviate tightness. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. 3. Glute activation exercises. Strengthening the glute muscles can help counteract tight hip flexors. Try exercises like glute bridges, clamshells, and lateral band walks. 4. Hip mobility drills. Incorporate exercises that focus on improving hip mobility, such as hip circles, hip rotations, and leg raises. 5. Foam rolling. Use a foam roller to release tension in the hip muscles. Roll slowly over the hip flexors, IT band, and glutes, focusing on areas of tightness. 6. Strength training. Include compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and lunges in your strength training routine to promote balanced muscle development and improve hip mobility. Tips for effective workouts. 1. Consistency is key. Incorporate hip-focused exercises into your routine regularly to see improvements in flexibility and mobility. 2. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to each exercise and adjust intensity or technique as needed to prevent injury. 3. Gradually increase intensity. Start with lighter resistance or fewer repetitions and gradually increase intensity and volume as your hip mobility improves. 4. Combine workouts with stretching. Stretching after workouts can further enhance flexibility and prevent muscle tightness. 5. Seek professional guidance. If you have persistent hip tightness or pain, consider consulting a physical therapist or personal trainer for personalized guidance and support.